We're off to the seaside! Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Hey, Birdie, that's naughty to break my sandcastle and poop on my umbrella. You tell your friends that's really naughty. Ice cream! Ice cream! Yeah! Yeah! Ice cream! Yeah!
Hey, put your paper in the bin.
Look, Dad! Look, Dad! Look what I've got! Look, Dad! I got my favourite ice lolly! Oh no! Oh no! Those naughty seagulls!
Get away, you naughty lot!
Dad! My ice lolly! Oh, don't cry, sweetheart. We'll go and get another one. Attention! Everyone in the water, please remember to swim between the red and yellow flags as marked for safety reasons.
Hey, sorry mate, there's no swimming here. Have you not seen the flags? And that's a very unusual bathing suit you got there, mate.
Look at those big cruise ships! Wow! I know, let's go visit the lighthouse. They are used to keep ships away from the rocks. They used them long ago, and they have a powerful beam of light. Galleons used to come into the cove safely. We learned that at school.
Look what I've seen! I'm sure we'll all enjoy some fish and chips.
Woo! Mum, Dad, can we go on the fairground now?
I've already got a ticket. Well, have you had a good day? We don't want to leave, Dad. So you have had a good day. We can always come again. What do you say to that? I think they've had a very good day.